Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Shurikanara. Today we are making some cute thumb pins, and actually you can make this into earrings or a keychain, it's your wish. To start, I'm going to take some air dry clay and just take some of it and flatten it out using a pen or a pencil. After that, just take a sharp object and cut out the shape you want. So first I'm making the ice cream. So let's start with the ice cream cone. And to make the ice cream scoops, I'm just gonna take a small piece and turn it into a ball. After you have your scoops ready, you can use glue for this step, but I did not. You can just attach the scoops on top of the ice cream cone. After you're done attaching them, it should look something like this. And now to just make it look neater, I'm just gonna roll out a snake like thing and roll it around the scoop and the cone. Hope that makes sense. So you can just wrap it around. After you're done doing that, it actually looks way neater. Now you can keep the ice cream aside and start with the watermelon. So I'm not gonna carve out the watermelon, I'm just gonna shape it with my hands. When you're carving the clay, make sure to keep it thick so when you attach the pin to it, it doesn't fall off. So your watermelon should look something like this. Now fix the pin into the clay. Doing this may change the shape, but just keep reshaping it. After that's done, this is how your watermelon should look. Now do the same with the ice cream. After this, we are going to paint them, but let them dry first. After they are hardened, you can start painting it. So to start, I'm going to start with the ice cream cone and I'm going to paint the cone brown. I did realize that my brown was too dark, so I had to mix in some white. My ice cream flavor is vanilla with chocolate syrup, so for the syrup I'm also going to use brown. And for the little vanilla scoop that can be seen, I'm going to paint it white. Now let your ice cream cone dry and let's move on with the watermelon. So I'm going to start with red at the center and leave some space for the green at the edges. Now take your green paint and I'm going to use a thinner brush for this. After your watermelon has dried up, make some black dots for the seeds using black paint or black marker. This is how a watermelon looks at the end. I think it's pretty cute. And now when your ice cream has dried up, I'm gonna add some details to it using a darker shade of brown. This is how they both look at the end. I really love them. They are very sturdy as well as attractive. As I said before, you can turn this into a keychain or a necklace. It depends on you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications to stay updated. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.